that is the fourth best team, while UST is at the bottom of the totem pole as far as that statistic is concerned. We welcome you to the second set. This place just slowly beginning to fill up here. Ito yung mga estudyanteng malapit na mag-finals.
Malapit na, no?
Kaya mag-graduate. Mabilis matatapos.
Isa lang ang nakakalungkot dito, sir. Iinit na ang panahon.
Yan lang.
Sarap matulog, eh.
Sige, banggitin mo pa. Pero itong hapon, yung mga nakasubaybay sa atin sa Studio 23, hindi kayo makakatulog sa init ng aksyon na binibigay sa inyo ng FPU at saka ng Uste. Mamaya po magtatagpo ang mga ibon ng kaharian ng langit. Walang iba kundi ang mga agila at mga falcon sa falcon sa Tagalog.
Hindi ba Tony?
Okay, mahalata edad na ibang tao rito. Tabakero. Halata ang edad direct.
Tony Gonzaga?
Hindi. Huwag ka nang lumiwas.
Okay.
Huli ni Direk Abit kasi inabutan niya. Yan si Agent Expo.
Pero ito, sir, di makaiwas ang UST. Nakalamang na naman ditong FEU. Simana, game face na naman. Second set starting out. The scoring para sa FEU, 1-0.
Dito mo ang tabayan ng si Bernal. Tutukot ng malalim.
Kailangan na eh.
Tutukot ng malalim sa experience.
Kailangan na. Hindi ka na pwedeng magtipid dito para sa third set. Ito na, buhos mo na.
The new thing that FPU is doing this afternoon is dinking the ball a little more. Dinking a lot more so as to create ball opening. How do they call this? It is inside. They'll go to a step.
Ang nakikita ko kasi dyan, sir, pag mas malalaki yung kalaban mo, mas ayaw dumive yan sa bola eh. Mas ayaw yumuko. At yun ang pinapagawa rito ng FU. Pinipilit nila to play out of their comfort zone itong defense ng UST na ngayon ay nakapagtala ng kanilang unang puntos at 5 kulangan on deck for the Lady Tigers.
Oh boy, what a set by Simana. She went very low on that one.
And ito na naman, thinking, trap shots, not the power game that FEU usually shows. Subalit, effective pa rin para sa kanila. Morada on serve for FEU, lamang sila 2-1.
Pagano says, no way, that's easy to handle. And here's the Makulangan setup job. Bernal sends it to the back line. Morada has a hand in it. Simana says, I got it. And Daki says, no problem. There goes to Rios, the Makulangan. We go to Venus. You know, when you take a look at the libero FEU, she's just such a joy. Rosa Antaganas.
Galing yan.
Parang siyang just simply a high school love for this beautiful game.
4th best in terms of digs. 6th best in terms of receptions. And hindi siya napapansin dahil hindi naman siya pumupuntos eh.
Yes, she's a libero.
Pero sino ang sumasagot at talagang tumatakbo para i-retrieve yung mga bola? Si Taganas.
Yeah, Taganas had a member of my happy childhood team. She kept rolling and twisting and turning when she was growing up.
Kaya pala.
Isa pa siya si Diego ng Lasal.
Totoo yun.
Ang bata of Adams.
Oo. Yan yung mga mahirap kalaban sa patintero dahil habol ng habol. Ngayon, FPU 4 and UST 2 and the 7th best server in the league on deck right now. That's Rachel Dakis.
Si Dakis kasi consistent yung tapo niya. Bihirang mag-error yan sa server. Morada says, I got it, but Simano has to grapple with it. Gonzalez punches it over.
Sino galing yun?
Ilandayo. Ibayo rather. Dakis out of position. Nes Familiar is disappointed because his players were out of position.
Walang transition, ano? Eto, naibalik na nila yung bola. Yet they were caught flat-footed.
Yes.
Hindi sila nag-transition from offense to defense. At ito middle hit coming from Balse.
Saka sabi mo sa nanggaling si Simano.
Ano galing? Nawala na sila sa posisyon.
Abanto. Just in mid-air. That south-over. Tabaquero. Twirled by Morada. Gonzalez!
And she's back. She's back.
Pinupok naman ni Kaprata.
Tinignan lang kung tinignan lang kung okay pa yung pagkaayos ng kanyang buhok. At ngayon, FEU, lamang na naman 5 against 3/3. Second set.
Pumapalo this afternoon si Torres. They're trying to mix up their opportunities.
Sama yun.
To the block.
Perhaps expecting that Balsa and Bernal will be shadowed by the defense of FEU. Kaya lang, ito naman FEU, tsaka dumipensa. Kaya ngayon, lamang na naman sila. 6 against 3. Yung offense ng UST hindi gaanong nakakapagpakita ng ina-expect natin sa ganitong klaseng laban.
Which has been the story
Against
of the first,
FAU,
Yes,
oo.
of the first 3 meetings or all the meetings of these two sides. Gonzalez's attempt is spoiled and easily absorbed. It is outside. It will go to UST. It'll be 4 serving against 6.
And the very lean Angelita Baquero has been the most effective power hitter today for UST. Alam mo, Seb, ang tingin ko rito, natuto rin tong FAU in their game against Adamson na mag-face ng bahagya na hindi mo itotodo sa unang dalawa at mauubusan ka na. Kaya ngayon, minimix up na si Mana yung pagbigay niya ng mga bola sa kanyang mga attackers.
Panto. Oh, just
Simple shot.
yes, Panto rarely gets something going, but look at that smile. You can feel it here.
UST slow to get to that ball once again, Seb. Kailangan mas masipag sila. Kailangan mas matyaga sila. Dive, yuko, retrieve para maka-atake.
Christian Maculangan. Balse. Abanto says, I have it. Morada punches it over. The Maculangan recycles, but decides to give another smart move.
Si Maculangan has been given the time here. She's taken over the role of Denistan. And she needs to prove that she can set up her attackers. At ito, may magandang drop shot dito. Si Di Maculangan to push UST closer dito sa FAU. 5 against 7. Balse on deck for UST.
Red Di Maculangan is the 5th best setter in the tournament. Baquero. Gonzalez. Oh, nahuli ni Manse block pero unable to handle it. And we will take our first technical timeout as FAU gets the 8-point mark back in a very short while.
You're having a slice